ready? This is the new color. It is called Grass. Grass. And of course the kit, here, let me pull everything up. Of course the kit comes with the ink pad Grass, but the first question you're gonna ask is, how is it different from the other colors the Stamps of Life has? So I've already pulled my other greens, and yes, there is a felt. I've already pulled my other greens. This one is Sage. Let's see if we can do this. This one is Sage, this is Grass. This is Spearmint. Hang on. That is Spearmint. This is Artichoke. This is probably the closest, but not. This is Green Apple. So you can see that it's a different green. Here is your Kiwi. And here is your Mint Chip. So let's do 3 on this one. The new one is this one right here. So you can see it's in between these two, but it is very different than Green Apple. Do not think it's close to Green Apple. It is very different from Green Apple. It is a brighter green, but a true green at the same time. So those are our greens. The kit, and we have the cardstock pack. So we have the cardstock pack that comes with however many sheets it comes with.
24.
24, thank you, my dear. Ken gets to help pack those, so he knows. So this is the Sweet Summertime Kit. The Sweet Summertime Kit. You are getting the new grass color with the refill. Yay, refill.
Oh,
Yay.
sorry.
Oh.
Back to 1.
Yay, refill. Yay, yay, yay. You are also getting, let's open all of the fun stuff in here. Are you ready for this? Oh my goodness. It is packed. It is jam-packed. It is stuffed. Okay, you are getting some Ephemera. They call it Ephemera. I call it die cuts. But you are getting tons of these. And when I mean tons. Look at all these. Look at them all. Tons, tons, tons. Fun, fun, fun. All of those. Move them off to the side. I shouldn't have spilled them out. Okay, then you are getting green grass epoxy dots. You are getting flower epoxies. Look how cute those are. Oh wait, you could color those, don't forget. And you're getting the cutest little citrus puffy stickers. Okay, now let's look. Oh, you are getting the cutest pinwheel stencil, abstract pinwheel stencil. So fun. Great for doing it and then flipping it and doing it again to make that awesome, awesome pinwheel. You're also getting a watermelon fold-it die set with, we've included the word summer and a cute little popsicle die, because why? Because we could. It fit, so we did it, right? So there's that. Now, let's look at the paper pad. The paper pad, and I've been instructed to tell you, hang on. The kit value is $102. The special price is $68.59. I don't have the background die, Adina. It's coming with a free background die.
I have it. It's not on the back.
Nope. A free background die. Free. So it's $102 value. The special price is $68.59. Where do we come up with those numbers? I have no idea. Plus you're getting a free background die when you purchase it. And let's see. The designs that you're going to want for the paper pad are the lemonade to drink. Thank you, my dear. This is the free background die you're getting, but they can't really see it. I'll show it to them in just a minute. So the dice that you're gonna want are the watermelon die set, strawberry club die set, froggy dies, kite dies, butterfly dies, lemonade dies, and stitch circle dies. If you don't have them, it's okay. You have a couple options. One, you could buy them, or you could just cut them out yourself. So let's look at our paper pad. Here we go. We have these cute little, there we go. We have these fun shapes, right? So that, we tried to always tell you on what you could use to die cut these, just so you have a heads up, okay? Then we have that fun pinwheel. Look how cute that is. I love that. Strawberries and more pinwheels. Oh my gosh, I love that one. Oh, watermelon. Oh, I really love that pattern. Butterflies, butterflies. You know I love my butterflies. Butterflies and flowers are it for me. Oh, although look how cute that little froggy is. Oh my goodness. More pinwheels. Kites, kites. Those of you that have been around a while are going to have all these dies already, okay? Luckily, our website should tell you if you bought it already on our website. And then we're doing it all over again. You're getting 2 sheets of each one printed in the United States paper, right? Okay, and remember, it's not paper, it's cardstock. This is 1 sheet. That's 1 sheet, okay? That's how awesome it is. Now let's look at, let's do 3. Let's look at the background die that you are getting free with purchase, background die, which is really cool. And now I want to show you some of the samples that we got from our design team, because look at all the samples I have. Literally, I don't know, they just went crazy because, you know, I always know when they love it because they go crazy. Look at all of these samples I have. And I'm gonna go fast on these. They will be in our gallery. We also released a limited quantity of the glitter pens from Spectrum Noir. I held these for tonight because there's green in it, so I just thought that would be fun. And we even released some green epoxy dots also, so extra green. Okay, so let's look at how fun all these, oh, look at all this. Look at all this. They just went crazy. It's awesome. Okay, so that kit is amazing. It is very limited. If you're watching this in a year, it's gone. Don't even try. But here's our cute little stuffy that Michelle made, which is absolutely adorable. My babies love these stuffies. And she left a little hole so I can put it on my tray, which is so fun. Now let's look at some of these cute samples. So here's a cute banner one with, and I'm gonna go a little fast on these, you guys, just because they will be on the website, and I know a lot of you are busy and probably not even watching right now. Again, if the website is moving a little slow, I apologize. It will get your order. It's just gonna take a little bit longer than normal because we have so many people on the website right now. So just know that it's working as fast as it possibly can. Please just be a little patient. If it's spinning, you are good. That just means that you're in line. Do not hit buy, because then you'll get charged. You'll get charged every time you hit buy. So it just means you're in line. It's like going to Target and getting a 99-cent TV on Black Friday, right? You have to wait in line. And also, just a heads up also, do not put it in your cart and think in a week you can get it, okay? Because somebody will take it out of your cart. It's a virtual cart. Remember, it's a pretend cart. And if it gets taken, then, you know, there's nothing we can do. So make sure you pay tonight, but you don't have to pay right now. You don't have to pay right now. Go get a drink, go get food, go clean up your craft room, whatever you want to do. If you want just the kit and the cardstock and even the felt, you should be fine on the felt even. But the cardstock and the kit, you are fine. You don't even need to be on the website right now. There's plenty. Oh my goodness, there's that pinwheel. Look at the background. Look at the background pinwheel stencil. Isn't that adorable? I love it. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Another kite. Cheryl made this one because I can feel the 3D ink. I don't even have to tell you. I don't even have to look. It's Cheryl because it has 3D ink on it. This one has Cheryl on it because, I call it, this one has 3D ink on it. This one has 3D ink on it. Awesome. Oh, there's a couple more. Oh, wait, no, I did those. So you're getting all of these awesome little pieces, which are really nice because if you need a fast card, sometimes it's nice just to have one halfway done for you, right? Look at all those fun pieces you're getting. So that really helps as well. It is a little limited, but not limited tonight. Not.